guys, it's Gabby with Long Live Vintage, back with another video. I told you I was going to be cranking these things out. So I'm back with another vintage thrift haul. This time we've got some sweaters, jackets, denim, basically the fall essentials. So without me rambling on, let's get right into it. So this first item has to be my very favorite one out of this group. This is this vintage, denim jacket, white denim jacket. It features these stars, like silver stars, and it's like a prop to it. Guys, I basically had to like bring this jacket back to life. When I found it, I was like, it's kind of, it's white, so it's in, once something gets on white, you kind of are just like, hey, just forget it. Like, it's going in the trash or donate it, or hey, I'm not gonna fool with you. But I was like, I think I know how to, get this right and bring it back to life so that it can be restored and look like how it's supposed to. And I think I did a pretty good job of doing that. Yeah, like I said, this one is awesome, guys. It's vintage, yes. I would say maybe around like early 90s. So yeah, because it's got the Marciano on the tag, and that's what I remember from like around 90, 91, 92. If I get the actual date of it, I'll put it in the description or put it in the video, so you guys who like things like that, y'all will know. Next item. So for some reason, I was finding just like vintage, just name brands this particular day, and I was really excited about that. So this is a vintage Nike denim jacket, which I don't even know, maybe I'm just out of the loop, but I don't even know, does Nike make denim still? I don't know. I don't think I've seen that. Like, I've seen shoes and I've seen windbreakers, which I've got one in this haul, but I don't think I've ever seen a vintage Nike denim jacket. I don't think I've ever seen it, even like a modern Nike denim jacket. But y'all let me know in the comments, because I thought it was unique, and so that's why I picked it up. So yeah, it's oversized, or you can wear it oversized or true to size. It's got a little wear and tear on it, but overall it's pretty awesome. Like, the Nike is still intact. It's got like that fluorescent, the neon Nike on the tag, and it doesn't have a hood, it's just a regular collar. But yeah, wear oversized leggings, whatever you want to wear with it. You can rock it any way you want to rock it. So this is what I meant by the Cosby vibes. Very nice, thick sweater, cardigan actually. So I thought that was cool. It's got, the khakis, the olive, black, appropriate fall colors. So you could wear this either open or just wear it closed, and maybe you could do like a little, if you wanted to make it like a little nice or a little sexy, you could put like a one of those bralettes under it and just wear it like that, and just wear some black leggings and call it a day. You got a nice little outfit there. So this sweater, another like Cosby vibes, but when I first launched Long Live Vintage, which was what, 4 years ago now, I had this exact same sweater. It was in a smaller size though, and this was, I think the brand is Wrangler. This one, it is Wrangler. So it's one of those acrylic sweaters. Is oversized, or like I said, any of this stuff you can wear oversized or you can wear true to size. This next item is very fun sweater. It's got these geometric patterns on the front. Looks like it's about like a small or medium size. And it's got, I almost thought it was gray at first, but it really is like black and white. It's a black and white knit sweater. But I thought it was cool because of the patterns on the front. Very 80s, very 90s. Okay, next item. I really like this one. I'm showing the back first. I don't know why. But it's buttons down the back. That's the back, y'all. Front, bam. So the front is, it's got, this array of colors here. It is cropped, so I thought that was really cute. And like I said, if I can try this on, I will put it I'll make sure to include it in the video. But yeah, I thought this was cute. I thought it would be cute with a skirt, like a fitted skirt. And if you have the stomach for it, you can really truly wear it like with your stomach out. But it has a decent enough crop to where it's not really, really short. It's not like right up under your bust, but it goes a little past that. So I thought that was nice. The next item is this sweater. Y'all know I'm always giving y'all some TV show or something, what something reminds me of. But this one to me is Regine from Living Single. That's what this gives me, because y'all know she was extra bougie with it, but she stayed fly, you know, with her wigs, like her several different wigs. But this just reminded me of something that she would have had on. So, Team Regine. And again, I would say you could probably wear this similar to, well, there was another one in a different haul, but wear it reverse. So you could either wear it like this in the front with the zip in the back. I mean, if you're feeling, you know, froggy, or you could just wear it regular and just do the zipper in the front. Next item, remember I told you guys, like for some reason on this trip of thrifting that I was able to find a whole bunch of brand name items. Actually in this haul there's 3, but in other hauls I'm sure I have like others, like I was able to find just like an array of brand names. But for this one, got a Nike Windbreaker, vintage Nike Windbreaker. Not much to say about it except it's just a standard windbreaker, but it's got that color blocking. It's lightweight enough to where if it's still kind of warm some days, like how it is right now, you could wear it just lightweight and just wear, you know, whatever you want to underneath. But yeah. And last but not least is this really cool, well, I'm gonna say fall, winter, maybe more so winter. It's a ski sweater. So it's got like the neon, it's got some little design here. It almost looks like it's leopard, but it's really not. A few geometric shapes in there. It's got it on the elbow, and then of course it's got some of the detail of that in the front. It's got snaps. If it's that cold and you want to snap it up in the front, you can. But it's a thick sweater, so if it is cold, like this is perfect for those cold months. All right, guys, so there you have it. Vintage thrift haul with some of those essential fall winter pieces. Make sure you guys comment below. Let me know which one is your favorite one. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.